Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 4 to the power of n minus 3 to the power of n equals to 7, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we will just multiply and divide the exponent of 4 and 3 by 2, so that we will get its output in this form: 4 to the power of n and its whole power 2 over 2 minus 3 to the power of n and its whole power 2 over 2 equals to 7. So in the next step we will just use here the nice square or exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m and its whole power n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now we use here this nice law. So according to this law, we will write our above expression as, so here we multiply this 1 over 2 by n, and you will obtain 4 to the power of n over 2 and its whole squared minus 3 to the power of n over 2 and its whole squared equals to 7. So that in the next step we will use here the nice square identity, and after applying the identity we will convert this nice exponential equation into the simplified form, so that now we will just take a equals to 4 to the power of n over 2 and b equals to 3 to the power of n over 2. So when you take these two substitutions in the above expression, then we will write it as, so here you remember one thing is that this a and b are must be a positive integers, okay, because a and b are exponential functions, so it is must be positive integer. It gives always the positive values. So that now we substitute these two values in the above expression, and our above expression will be becomes in this form: a squared minus b squared equals to 7. So after this step, this expression will becomes in the form of a minus b times of a plus b, and this whole equals to 7. So in the next step you will see here in the left hand side we have two factors multiplied by each other, and in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now first we make two factors in the right hand side, and we will write it as a minus b times of a plus b equals to 1 times of 7. So here we find the factors of 7. So I think so we have only one factor of 7, which is 1 times of 7 or 7 times of 1. Okay, so that now we compare both of the sides here, and we will get a minus b equals to 1 and a plus b equals to 7. So we have these two cases. So now we first solve these two cases, and we will find the values of a and b. So now here I can named this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So now first we add equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So when you add 1 and 2, then you get a minus b equals to 1 and a plus b equals to 7. So here we just add these two pairs. So by adding these two equations, you see here b are cancelled by each other and we will obtain here 2a equals to 8, and we get the value of a equals to 8 over 2, and it will be becomes a equals to 4. So this is the value of a, and now we find the value of b. So in order to find the value of b, we will just subtract equation number 1 and 2. So when you subtract these two equations, then we get a plus b equals to 7 and a minus b equals to 1. So because here we subtract these two one, so here this is negative sign positive, this positive is negative and negative, so these are gone, and we have 2 times of b equals to 6, and we get b equals to 3. So that now we find both of the values of a and b, and now I can write both of values here. So we have a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. We have these two values, and in the start of the problem we will take here a equals to 4 to the power of n over 2 and b equals to 3 to the power of n over 2. So now we put these two values here and we will obtain 4 to the power of n over 2 equals to 4, and when we put the value of b, it will becomes 3 to the power of n over 2 equals to 7. So here we have these two cases, and now we can just simplify both of the sides and we get our required answer. So sorry, this is the value of 3. So here we write or compare both of the sides, and you see that bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal, and we obtain n over 2 equals to 1. Similarly here you see that the bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal, and we obtained n equals to 2. Similarly here we obtained n equals to 2. So in both of the cases we will get the values of n equals to 2. So this shows that n equals to 2 be the only solution of this problem. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.